Ever pondered on how to become a Java expert? Today, we're unraveling the ultimate roadmap for Java developers, from beginner to expert. Whether you're at the start of your journey or ready to elevate your skills, this guide is just the ticket. Embarking on this journey, the first station is mastering the basics. Grasp the fundamentals of Java syntax, data types, and control structures. Forge a sturdy foundation by practicing through coding exercises and mini-projects. Next, plunge into the depths of object-oriented programming, OOP. Get to grips with classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. These concepts form the bedrock of Java development. The third stop takes you to the world of essential tools and technologies. Acquaint yourself with popular IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, and get comfy with version control systems such as Git. Up next, delve into core Java libraries and APIs. Discover packages like Java, Util, Java.io, and Java.lang. These libraries provide potent tools for routine programming tasks. The final step for beginners is to start building projects. Apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios by creating simple applications, such as a calculator or a to-do list manager. After all, practice is the key to perfection. But wait, the journey doesn't end here. For those ready to venture into advanced terrains, we've got a whole new roadmap. First up, concurrency and multithreading. Learn to pen efficient, thread-safe code to handle concurrent tasks. This is a vital skill for building scalable and responsive applications. Next, databases and JDBC come into the picture. Understand how to interact with relational databases using Java, and learn about ORM frameworks like Hibernate for smoother data manipulation. Then, dive into web development with Java. Explore servlets, JSP, and frameworks like Spring MVC for building dynamic web applications. Don't overlook RESTful APIs and microservices. Finally, hone your skills in testing and debugging. Master Junit for unit testing, and learn how to use debugging tools effectively to detect and rectify issues in your code. By mastering these advanced topics, you'll be well on your way to becoming a first-rate Java developer. Remember, continuous learning and practice are the keys to success in this field. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this roadmap helpful, do like, share, and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!